Hello art friends, it's Carolyn. Today I am making a page in my art journal using a Christmas gift, these Derwent Inktense pencils. Did any of you guys get art supplies for the holidays? Let me know in the comments. I wanted these pencils because they're highly pigmented, water soluble, but then permanent once dry. So I'm working in this handmade journal. You can see I already have some paint down and had stenciled these fish on top of it. But looking at the page, I started to see an elephant, its head and its trunk, and so I went with it. I got one of my pencils out and just started to draw in some tusks and the eye and some wrinkles, just to lay in the groundwork for my drawing. I got out my Teflon art mat and I'm going to be using some gesso to bring back some white areas. I'm using Liquitex Basics, which does not have the best coverage of gessos, but I can put a couple coats on. This will of course be its big floppy ear, and as the video goes on you'll see that ear just keeps getting bigger. Drawing in some more wrinkles. Elephants are really wrinkly. If you look at their skin, there's so much texture there, and I'm trying to capture it. I'm also dragging my pencil through that wet gesso just to see how it will react. I like experimenting whenever I get new supplies and seeing how they react with other products. I think once you start drawing in an eye on any animal or person is when the drawing really starts to come alive. So I'm starting to add the water to all the lines that I draw, and you can see how intense these are. I'm liking them, and I do like how once they're dry, they're permanent, unlike the Stabilo All pencil, which is another favorite pencil that I use a lot in my art journaling. So I'm adding more gesso just to try to cover all of the black of the page and put in that big floppy ear. Working my pencils into that wet gesso again just to try a few different ways of working with it. If you take the pencils and kind of rub them on the side, you get more of that full coverage, and then I scrub in with my bigger brush to blend it in with the wet gesso. I decided to go ahead and gesso the rest of the background, covering up those stenciled fish, but don't worry, that texture is all still there in the background. I fiddle around with this page quite a lot just because I'm enjoying experimenting, playing with the new media that I have. Definitely overworking things, but I was having fun. Filling in a little bit of the body and cut a bunch of that out, just, save some time. I am adding a little bit of the white back to the trunk and put that catch light in the eye, which makes all the difference in my opinion. Elephants have the most amazing eyelashes, so I wanted to try to draw these in, and I'm just kind of flicking the pencil to get them. I thought I'd see how my tempera paint sticks worked on top of these. These are really vibrant, light, fast, quick drying, non-smudging paints that are in this like lipstick like stick. It's cool. They're very vibrant, like I said, so I'm just adding some pop of color and bringing in a little bit more white here and there. So thanks. I hope you enjoyed today's page, and I will see you all soon. Thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe, hit that notification bell, comment, give us a thumbs up, and share.